It's 3 a.m. You're alone, scrolling through your laptop. The room is silent, except for the soft hum of your computer. And then you see it. A file. No name. No icon. Nothing. You click it. Nothing happens. But then, your webcam light flickers, even though you never turned it on. This isn't just a random file. It first appeared on a hidden forum back in 2015. People called it the Watcher, and anyone who tried opening it reported strange things. Computers freezing, programs closing on their own, files disappearing, and yes, sometimes the webcam would blink, as if someone or something was watching. Soon, it wasn't just tech forums. Reddit threads, Discord servers, even private hacker groups started talking about it. Everyone wanted to be the first to open it. Hackers tried decompiling it. Analysts tried brute forcing it. Engineers tried every trick they knew, but no one could. No errors, no crash, just waiting. The theories started pouring in. Some said it was a government experiment gone wrong. Others swore it was an AI that learned from anyone who touched it. But the scariest idea, that it wasn't broken at all, that it was designed to watch, to record, to exist, without ever revealing its secrets. Imagine this. A guy leaves his laptop on for 3 days straight trying to open it. On the third night, his computer blue-screened and wiped itself clean. Every file gone. Another user claimed his webcam kept flickering, even when he wasn't on any call. Enough to make you question reality and wonder if it's watching you too. Years later, the file still floats online. New users download it, try their luck. And every once in a while, someone posts, "I found it, but I can't open it." Like a curse, a digital ghost, waiting, watching. And that's when it hits you. It's not just a file, it's alive, in a way you don't understand. So here's the real question. What happens if it finally opens? What would you see that you were never meant to? Maybe it's been waiting for you all along, and maybe it's still watching.